All right. This is one of my next little thing here that I have going on. This is some electrical work I'm doing here in plumbing. Hold on, let me show you. All right. So switches. I have installed some recessed switch up in the ceiling around the edge, and also I did that sheetrock work as well. Yes, I did that. Right, and I installed the lights. Me and my uncle did the sheetrock work, and I installed the lights. I polish, I plaster, I do everything. Right, so I'm gonna turn on the lights and let you see what's going on here. See, I put on a dimmer on it. You see that? Good. Getting brighter. Right, and I'm gonna dim it again. See that? Really nice. Yeah. So I put on the dimmer on it. See, so it's right around as you can see that. Right around in the room. Right around. Right around. There you go. Right? And it comes back here. And we have this to control the recessed lights. Alright, then I have another switch to control that one in the middle right there. So it's two different sets of lights. Alright? Good. Let's go in the bathroom. Did the same thing here in the bathroom. Alright? Did the same thing in the bathroom. Right around the bathroom. Right around. Alright, so I'm gonna hit it. Switch is over here. I put another dimmer switch on it as well. Right, so see? Good. Really beautiful. And I have a separate one in the middle as well. So really nice. Let me dimming it. Good. Let me dim. Alright, going out. Turn it on back. Getting brighter. Alright. It's really nice. Really nice. Really nice. Take a look in the bathroom. Really nice bathroom as well. So they cut that part out to put in your soap, your shampoo, all of that. So here, I'm gonna put up a panel, a shower panel here. I will do that video when I'm gonna install that shower panel right there. All right. So here's just a nice little bath here. Really nice. I did that as well. I didn't do the tile, but I put in the drain. Yeah, all that is plumbing work. So they're gonna put a slide door right here, comes back here, go around. So the ball is gonna be here. This is where the ball is gonna be. So when I'm gonna install that, I'm gonna do a video about that as well. So how I did this, I put a plug right here, so you can build a little table or anything, because you know sometimes you have your phone sitting on the throne and you're using it, the battery is going down, so you can just plug it in right there. Yeah, good. And up there I'm gonna install a television up top, so I drop a plug right there as well. Good. This is a face basin area, and over here I'm gonna put a jacuzzi. Yeah, nice jacuzzi on that side. So it's really nice. This is a shower panel. I won't take it out of the boxes yet because I'm not ready for it. So later on, when I'm gonna do that, sure, you see it's beautiful, really nice. Has a blue LED light on it. You can turn it on in the night. Gives you a nice romantic look when it's on in the bathroom at night. All right, so see, it's really nice place. That's a closet over there. Nothing special in the closet. But further down when it's setting up, I probably set up a few stuff inside. Alright, good. What happened up here when it was decking, when it was casting, the cement water comes down in the box and goes in the pipe and fill it up. So I had to dig back out, search for the pipe, dig it out, and go as far as where the concrete has blocked it, and take it back out, take out that piece of pipe and put in, connect back a fresh piece on it. Yeah, and I got it right. It's done. It's good now. Just to install the light up there. I'm not ready as yet. They're supposed to pretty it up back, finish the priming work, the painting, all of that. Then I come back and put in those plugs. That's the AC connection up there and everything. So yeah, doing a great job. I'm proud of myself. Really nice. Yeah, over here we will have the entertainment center over here. So you see the plugs at the top. That's where the television is gonna go. Plug internet box down there. That's where the internet gonna come in that box. Yeah, good. Let me show you the panel box over here. I don't put in the main current as yet, so I just connect up a few wires, just the live and the grounds. That's what I needed for now to get things cracking until I put in the main power wires. Alright, you can see that. Really nice setting up. A lot of dust is on it because they're still working inside here. So as soon as everything is finished, you can see the cover is not on as yet. So when everything is finished, I'm gonna do a deep clean in this panel box. I'm gonna blow it out, wipe it out, spray some WD-40 inside, keep it moist. Alright, it's really good, very nice. I love my work, it's beautiful. Look at that. Mwah. Right. Really nice. Yes, cuz I'm just making finish up my YouTube video here, you know. You know it goes. You know we're online now, so we have to do the right thing. Oh, see my cuz touching up, priming up, priming up the balusters and the columns here.
Getting it done, you know.
Right, that's what it is.
I'm with the bomb bottle on there.
Yeah. This is my looker cuz here. Look at him. Eh? Look at it.
Me, your cousin.
No, we ain't no more because you're in panties.
Yo!
Guy. All right, looking good. Hey, go and help Daddy prime up the place, man.
Me, if you go right, let's go paint.
Right, go and help. Go and help.
Do it. Be tired.
If you wanna.
What about it? I'm getting the job done.
Alright, cuz getting
He
job
says
done.
literally.
Getting the job done. Here's a bad boy, Johnny Bravo, coming up the stairs. Look at him.
Getting your mouth done.
Jesus. Johnny Bravo.
You don't name no Johnny Bravo. You name Fish Bravo. A picture you take? No picture. A video in a make. YouTube video.
Making a video for my channel, Johnny Bravo. You wanna be on my channel?
Yes!
Yes!
Yes.
You wanna be worldwide, all over the place, people looking at you? Say, who is that boy?
Yes, sir.
No, nobody does it off. Because I does it off early.
So why?
I'm sleeping very early. So You don't want it now.
Johnny Bravo.
Alright.
Yeah, but you
Good.
want YouTube too?
Of course, you'll see it on it later on. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I've hit my time span, so I'm geeking out of here. Alright? See you on the next part.